All right, guys, how are you doing today? All right, so let me put some notes there in the chat section. Here you go. And I do have the course. The course will be from here. Copy, paste, and let me remove this. And so you can access my Udemy course from the chat section. If you want to get the discount, so go ahead and join the Discord channel as well. I have put in the chat section as well. So in this section, we are also going to continues from the last section which we did earlier. And there are like a couple of things last time what we did, and we'll go from there. So let's wait for a few folks to join, and we'll get it started. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna also power the PC3 for now, and we will wait for few seconds here, and I am also gonna put the same information in the Twitch section. In the Twitch, I am gonna put that here. Right, so here you go, and I will put here, and so I'm gonna remove this from here, and I am gonna put this one here and pin this manually. All right, so now I am also gonna do is I am gonna do few things. So if you want to get any discount to the Udemy course, which I published maybe 2 weeks ago, and if you want that Udemy course, go ahead and join the Discord channel as well. I'm gonna put the code there for the discount, so that will help definitely. And the other thing I want to highlight it is the we did the crack map exe in our last section, so we will continue doing the crack map exe from the Kali machine. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do here is I am here to demonstrate the domain controller, how you can pin test, generate the report, and how you can find the weak point, and you can definitely go ahead and find the weak point, and you can exploit from there. So that's the whole reason here to be okay. So, and if you if so hold on, remove this and remove this as well. So let me put the new one here. You can grab your and I am gonna put this one here in the chat section. All right. Udemy course. And let's go ahead and remove this. Boy, I cannot do that. Okay. All right, so let's do one thing. So let me put this one here, and so I am gonna put separate then. Let me put in separate, okay? And the other way you can do here is this one. This, and the link is here, right? Let me put this one here, and I will pin this. All right, here you go. All right, so again, so if you want to use any kinds of discount for the Udemy course, go ahead and put the comment in the chat section, and you can join the Discord as well. So I will post the like discount code in the Discord channel as well. So in this section, we are going to continue for the CrackMap.exe, which we did last time. So if you're looking for the if you're looking for the full course for the Udemy, so I put the link in the Udemy in the chat section as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. And the other way, you can also make sure that if you need full course, right? So if you need full course, there will be I already put the account and then the Udemy course link in the chat section, so go ahead and grab that opportunity. Okay, so and if you have any questions to me, go ahead and put your questions in the comment sections. I will be appreciated for your questions. And all right, so now the other way you have to, because last time what we did was we run the CrackMap.exe SMB with a 104 address. 104 address is our PC3, and that was the test one and password that we have. That was, we ran the user text file, and then this is the the password that we find in the user has one.txt file, and that's how we were able to find the password one in the PC3. All right, so now let me make sure that PC3 is pingable. Ping 104. So this is my vulnerable machine. So 104, 192.168.35.104, and I was able to successfully ping. And the other way you can also do is the 99 is my domain controller. So if you see, I was able to ping the domain controller as well. So now my next move is so last time what we did was the hash, right? So that's what we find. So let me go ahead and run this one more time for you guys. So I was able to see the same exact information for the for the PC3. So now the next move is the there are like a few other commands that I want to run. So the next thing I want to show you here is the Right, so here is it. The password spray, which I already did for you, and the other around you can also try is the, there are like a multiple way you can find it. You can just try to do is the let's remove that whole thing, and you can do dash shares. So in the share sections, it will show you everything that you want. Okay, so and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will see the read and write permission for the 104, because we are only selecting for the 104 right now. And the other way you can also try to change this to 99. So 99 is our domain controller. Okay, just keep in mind though. So in the domain controller, you will also find the interesting facts right now. So if you see admin dollar is a hidden share, and then see dollar is also hidden share, and the hack if you see the hacking folder, this is a folder. So if you see it, this is shared, and IPC a dollar, and then user. Those are all, these are the all if you see right here, so you can read and write that. So now you can also override that anything information. Okay, so if you want to, if you want to really get into that, that's how I was able to find this information. And if you go a little further down, so if you see here, I went to the dir and did the user test one desktop. That's what I did, right? And I don't know if you remember the types I mentioned you in my last session as well. So you can do the cat in the Kali machine, but in the command for the domain controller or Windows machine, you have to do if you want to see any text inside the text file, so you have to do type for the Windows. Okay, so that's how you see the password and then this, right? So this is a good thing. All right, so now the other thing I want to show you is the reverse shell that I already mentioned you, and I also installed the Bloodhound. You were able to see that Bloodhound as well. So the other thing I want to show you is the domain enumeration. In the domain enumeration, you have to understand the basic thing. So let me go ahead and clear this up. Clear, and I am gonna close this out, and I am also gonna close this out. So I will keep open for this one and close this out. So and the other way you have to make sure that the let me go ahead and do the when depth search. Okay, when depth search is the domain oops, not that when depths with depth search. Okay, so you have to do for let's do first thing, and so you'll see this one, the first link. So this is a tool. Okay, so this is a tool where you can find the you can enumerate the user group and the computer from the domain controller through the LDAP query. Okay, so this is the what exactly I'm gonna show you the next move. Okay, and also just make sure that you have the cherry tree for the note section, which I already put for my note section here. If you see, I found the lambda local and admin password 123. So that's what I document for the future reference. Okay, and the that's how you can create the new section here. So now my next move is My next move is the installation for the WinDip, so or download. So you have to download, okay? So again, so if you're looking for the Udemy course discount, so I already published the same information in the Udemy, so you can find that information for the Udemy course as well. So if you want any kinds of discounts, so go ahead and join the Discord channel, and that will help me to or that will help you guys to find that the domain course. Okay. All right, so now the next move for myself is the I have to clone this out, and I will open the terminal. And once I open the terminal, you have to do here is the get and clone. Okay, once you do get clone, you have to paste this. I already download that for the WinDep search. You will find the duplication, but if you are brand new to the domain WinLDep search, that will be download for you. Okay, so if you see the destination is already exist, so I will just go ahead and do that. So I will go inside that folder now. So inside that folder, you have to remember is to go to that folder, you have to do cd. Okay, so cd WinDep search. All right, so WinDep search, and or you can also remove the cd. Okay, so either way that will help. You can go inside directly, because nowadays Kali is getting more smarter. Again, so if you're looking for the Udemy course, please go ahead and get the link, and there's like a heavy discount for you all. And let me know. Go ahead and join the Discord channel as well. So this is the opportunity for you to get the domain enumeration, how you can do it. So that's what I put the link in the domain controller course in the chat section. So hi Rabik, how are you? Yeah, if you're looking for the kinds of domain course, I put the domain course for the Udemy, so I already put in the chat section. So go ahead and get the opportunity, guys. It's almost like $110, but I can give you all like 50% discount, or like whatever you guys need. Just you can join the domain Discord channel. Okay, yeah. So I can also the Discord channel here. Let me open the Discord. Hold on. Right, so I am hoping that it will join. All right, just starting right now. Okay. All right, so if you see, this is my Discord currently. So there are like a few people that already joined. So I already put the discount code here, but it is already expired. So just FYI on that. So it is not gonna use it. I mean this not gonna this not gonna work right now. So I can put the more discount if you join to the Discord channel. So I already put it in the chat section. Okay, so there are like 5 peoples already on that chat. So yeah. All right, so again, so if you're looking for the good information related to the Active Directory Pentest, I already published the Udemy course to the Udemy. So go ahead and find that link in the chat section, and let me know in any kinds of information you wanted, and you will get discount code in the Discord channel. Okay. All right. So going back to your lab, so I am gonna do inside the WinDep search. So in the WinDep search, you have to do ls first. Okay, so now in the ls, if you do ls, which is the list directory, and you will see this Python code. Okay, so to make sure that the Python code is the latest version. So I have the latest version 3.11 right now. So this is the this is the good opportunity for the if you want to update your Python, or you can upgrade your system. And then you can do, if you want to update your system, for example, you can do sudo apt update, okay, and you can do apt upgrade. So that this is work for you, okay. So again, if you're looking for the Udemy course, guys, go ahead and get the link in the chat section, and don't forget to join the Discord channel to get the promo code, okay. So this is the great opportunity, guys, like 1,100 almost like 1,100 people joined that Udemy course already. So, and that will be great opportunity for you. So if you want to, join the if you want to update and upgrade the system, so you can do this command. And the other thing you have to do, make sure that the which Python, okay. So you can see which Python, you will see user bin Python. All right, so that's how you can find that more information related to Python. So again, so the first thing I will do here for the Python, it will be so you can do here. So hold on. So you can do Python and 3, so which is my latest version, and then WinDepth search. So if you see right here, so let me put it here. So WinDepth search is my Python code, right? Because the Python 3 I have put in here, and -d is my lab.local, which is the domain controller 2 here. And after that, you can do the -u will be lab // okay, because the because in the Linux it won't recognize the 1/, okay. Just make sure that you have 1/, I mean 2/, sorry. So, and then test1, because based on the test1, I do have the password for the test1. So, and then DCIP address is the 199, which we already pinged, okay, and it is live. So now we'll try to enumerate the user. So this is the biggest goal, to enumerate our user, because still this is the test1 is the user. So let me show you, okay. So so if you see right here, close this out, test, and test1 is the user. So I'm not gonna put any kinds of test1. So test1 is the user, okay, and the test group. So that's the because test1 is this information, right? And I'm grabbing the user credential, and you can also if you need more information related to this, you can do Python and Python 3 and Python 3, and you can do WinDepth search .py-h, okay. So you'll see more information related to, like, if you want to go -d is domain controller, and -d is the IP address. If you see, that's what I did it here. And if you see, that's the -u is the user. And then if you need for more information, like for example, I need the user or group, so you can do -u, -g, or pu is a privileged users, right? And let's do one thing, and then there are like a lot of commands you can always find there, or either you can find the custom filter as well, okay. So, and that was the whole goal here. Again, so guys, if you're looking for the Active Directory Pentest lab, completely kind of this, and go ahead and get the opportunity for the Udemy course. And I have already published that in the Udemy, and you can get the link in the chat section. And once you join the Discord channel, and I will provide the heavy discount code in the Discord. Okay, hope you guys enjoy. All right, so now the other thing I need to do here is the So what I did earlier, so I'm just using the WinDepth search. So WinDepth search here, and I am gonna do here. So Python 3 and WinDepth search py -d local dev lab and -user, and this is the test user, and the password that we have, that's p, based on this information. And I'm doing the user first. Okay, so the user is let me put the hit enter, and then we'll see there are like tons of users. So if you see I mean, we are only interested for the admin access, and we are only interested in the service account that they have, or in the domain controller have. And we are trying to find that the previous escalation, right? And so so this is this. So if you see right here, so admin1, and then principal name is the admin1 at lab.local. This is the quick win already, right? So but still we don't have password yet. Again, so we can find that password the other way around, so no problem there. I can show you how you can try it. So there are like a few. This is the whole user list. Okay, so the only thing I am interested right now is the this is the basic, right? -u -p is the basic, and let's go for the G. Okay, so let's go for the G, and then we'll find the all AG groups, and this is the user. That's we are getting all the users that are here, and that's PU. We'll do the next. Once we do G, we'll do PU next. Okay, and admin object is the admins. We'll see this one as well. Let me do one thing. Hold on. So I can do side by side. Okay, so copy it and go to CD WinDepth search and paste it here. That's H. Once you do H, you can do is let's do side by side, because I just want to see these switches. Okay, let me put the switches here and do side by side here, and we'll do G, right? So G is the group, right? So everything is the here, but we are just switching to the G. And don't forget to comment, okay guys, and don't forget to put the like here in the this live, and don't forget to share this live. Okay, all right, so now we see a lot group. So this is fun. All right, so this is overwhelming information. So all right, so what you can also try is, if you want to export this information to any kinds of text file, if you're overwhelming with the information, you can always do greater sign, and you can do where you want to put this file is Kali home, and you can do home Kali, and I can create the one of the let's put inside this one. Okay, so WinDepth search, and once you do WinDepth search, you can do this is the group, right? Group.text. Okay, text txt. So this will be the group, right? So, and then this will export everything in the group section. Let me do ls here before I run it, so you don't see any text here, and you can hit enter, and that will import to that group.text. Okay. I put the wrong spelling there, but that's okay. But now you can do cat and group. Okay, you can see all this information are exported to the text file. So that's how you can export the information if you are feeling overwhelmed. So now we are only interested for the domain admins. So if you see right here, I see the domain admin here, SADO admin and DNS admins and IT admins, if you see it. So this is the distinguished name, but you can find more information definitely. So let me run one more help, and let's do the PU, right? Dash PU. So you can do dash PU, and you can do PU, okay? PU.text, and you can do dash PU. So it should be uppercase, okay? Don't forget to put the uppercase. And again, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and like this live and share this live. That's what I'll need from you, okay? And this is the only changing dash PU, okay? So let's do it, and you can do that. So and let's do that here, and you'll see a lot of information. So this is the PU is privileged user. So this all are the privileged user. And if you see the admins is a privileged user, account operation is privileged user, backup operation is a privileged user, and domain admin is a privileged user. If you see the daemon administration and all those things, if you see administrators, these are the admins, right? And that's how you can get the information and put this in your document section, because this document section is very important for the report writing. So just keep in mind everything, whatever you find in the domain controller while you're trying to running the pen test, or you are trying to exploit, just make sure that you put your full documentation, so you can go back and check it, either that is working or not, or you can that prove to the person which you're working, right? So that's the reason I just put there the information. So that's what I put, all those documents, that whatever I find and put it here and go back and forth. Okay, all right, any questions, guys? Any questions? All right, if you don't have any questions, let's move forward with the next. So let's do the C, okay? Dash C. Dash C is the computer. So if you see dash C, uppercase C, you will see all those computer name here, because this computer name are funky. But in the meantime, if you want to get the information related to, okay, so what PC is that, like 10 Pro, okay, Windows 10 Pro, and what is the operating system version? Okay, it's 10.10, okay, and then DNS name, or so this is the information that we are looking for the domain controller. Okay, so again, so if you are new to this channel and if you are looking for the Active Directory Pen Test course, obviously go ahead and check out the Udemy course in the Udemy. I have already put in the link in the chat sections. If you want to get more discount, go ahead and get the discount from the Discord, and once you join that, definitely there will be discount code, 100%, no problem there. So if you need more discount, let me know, okay? I can help you on that. And if you are willing to learn, I'm always open for the learning opportunity, okay? And all right, so now let's go back to our lab, and this is the PC3, and then you will see the 10 Pro, and this is a version, and the PC3, and this is the PC2, which is 11 Pro, and this is the domain information. That's it. All right, so now what also you can do is GPO, so group policy, and you can do the group policy as well. So let's do so paste here and GPOs, and you will see all these GPOs are here. Okay, I mean, again, so this is the completely test 1 is the completely user, not even the admin right now. Okay, again, so if you are completely looking for this in like bundle of course, go ahead and check out the Udemy course. I already put the chat link in the Discord channel, and anything that you want to you need the discount code, go ahead and join the Discord channel. I'll provide you the discount. Okay, all right, so now the other thing I want to show you is and if you see, this is the getting the default context for the root. All right, do you need web dev for the ethical hacking? It depends. If you're if you're looking for the for example, if you're looking for the I mean, there are like a lot of dev environments, so you can get the dev environment. So let me show you. So you can find that web vulnerable web portal. So you can find that, and you start doing that. So you can do either you need to like GitHub. You can do GitHub as well, and web portal, GitHub lab. You can do that as well. So you can find that in the GitHub repository. So if you see right here, so personally, I have done a lot of resources for the lab here. So you can do the you can do a lot of information. You can find a lot of information here, and let me vulnerable web portal GitHub lab for practice. You can do that too. So you can see right here. So this is the vulnerable app. You can do that. Okay, so this is how you can run the vulnerable application, and you can do vulnerable VMs, and you can start working on that. So let's do first in the closed environment, so you can do more research after that. Okay, hopefully this will help you. All right, so now let's go back to our lab. So, and then in this lab, we are still using the WinDepth search for the Python. So, and then this is the domain controller for us, and then the lab test is the which I have. No problem, ma'am. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to like, okay, and share this live. And then the domain control IP is this, and I am currently exporting to the GPUs right now. Okay, and get default naming context for the root, and this is found in the lab, right? So attempting binding success with the lab test, and attempting the all GPU. So that are the 7 GPU that found. Okay, so and then now they're like a default domain policy. If you see it, default domain. So sometimes like there is funny things. It is very important. You can find that the password inside the configuration file. So yeah, this is very funny. And then disable Windows Defender, and then the script that you see with RDEP login GPU firewall disable and GPU's admin. Okay, so these are the path for the domain GPUs. So you will see policy. These are the, and I mean again, so if you're looking for kinds of vulnerability, so this is the tool where you can always find that information to the domain controller. So now my next search for the fuzzy, right? So let's do for the LDAP entries if there is something. So let's do -h, okay? And so this will be okay. So it is not for the Trump. So it's for the Trump. Okay. So and then okay, so we can do this. Dash search. Okay, so if you see right here, so this is the you'll see that DC lab dash local. So that's how you can find that information. And if you're looking for the, let's do lookup. Okay, so I'm just typing this information, okay, and I'm not putting any kinds of fancy word there. So I'm just finding that information here, and you'll see all these details are here. I mean, this is great. This is great, man. It's like, and then also sometimes it is very important to find the SID, because the SID is super important, and then you'll see the timestamp for the login as well in binary. This is something, you know, I never expect sometime, like, you know, this makes you overwhelming, but in the meantime you'll find that you know, sometime you'll find that password. If you're lucky enough, you'll find that password. Okay. All right, guys, any questions put in the chat sections. I will happy to answer those. Okay. All right, so what else I can do now is group member domain admins. Let's do domain admin. Okay, so let's do copy this and let's do the members, right, and then paste it here. So I'm looking for the only domain admins, not the users. Okay, so hit enter and do members. Okay, so let me put the comma here. Sometimes it is funky. All right, there we go. And if you see right here now, 9 members found. So test3 is also the domain admin. Admin is the admin, SBC is the service account. All right, so again, so if you're looking for the Udemy course, guys, go ahead and get the link in the chat sections and join the Discord channel to get the code. Okay. All right, so now, and then also if you see the admin 1, admin Laura and Lonnie, Elson, and IT admins, administrator are the domain admins. So that means you can copy this and you'll dig down to these users. So that's how you can find more information related to the domain controller, where you can find that funny things or maybe interesting things, because always, like, remember, so this is for fun, and then you will get paid for fun. So this is how I started learning. So let me give you my little bit, you know, background. So while I was starting the cybersecurity, I was, you know, continuously in front of computer for like maybe 12 hours. And this is how I started learning. So because I feel if you dig down more, and then you'll find funny, and then you'll find more information which is related to that. I mean, that's what I learned. So, and then I started and then I reduced the time because that's too much for me. And then I reduced my time. I started okay, so what I can do more. And that's how I started doing the funny stuff. Okay. So yeah, cybersecurity is fun. And then in the meantime, you have to be very cautious and don't break anything that you're supposed to. All right. So I mean, this is a good fun time. All right. So let's go back to our lab. Okay. So now you can do yeah. So basically, all those details are here, and you can find that the let me try this. I don't know it will work. So let's try. So paste it here and domain objects. Okay, there we go. So yeah, admin objects. So only the admin objects are here. So okay. So any objects that are inside the admin, so that will show you here. So okay. All right. So now, okay. So what else? Let's do clear. And what else you want to learn, guys? Here. So the other thing I want to give you fun stuff is the LDEP domain dump. So LDEP domain dump, let's try to find that LDEP domain dump here first. LDEP domain dump, okay. So, and then this is the LDEP domain dump where you can dump the LDEP hashes, where you can dump the interesting information and retrieving the LDEP by any authenticated user or machine. This makes LDEP an interesting protocol for the gathering information in the recon phase or pen test of the internal network. So that's how, you know. And this is the domain. Let me go ahead and download. I believe I already downloaded it, but let's see. And get clone. And once you do get clone, you can paste this and hit enter. Since I have already this, and I can go inside the LDEP domain dump, do ls, and you can do let's go back here, home gallery, and then the LDEP domain dump. Oops. LDEP, wait, cd LDEP domain dump. Okay, so now I can do this. All right, so now it's loading. Now we can go here, LDEP domain dump, and you can do ls. You can go here and ls, and now I can run the setup as well. So I mean, I don't necessarily set up because there are a lot of tools you cannot install it. Okay, so I mean, you can technically run the Python dump here. So since I have there, so you don't have to run the Python setup. So I mean, you can install it if you want it, but it's really up to you if you want it. So you can easily run this since you have, but you have to go inside that folder. Okay. And then the if you install it, you can directly run LDEP dump domain. So that will be easier, but I'm not going to install this one, so I will just use the this code. Okay. And then if you see, there are a lot of, so like, you know, no HTML, no JSON. You can disable all the switches here if you don't want it information. Okay. So the good thing is, you can create the let's do, because there will be more folders. It will create more folders, but you have to make the separate folder to put everything inside that folder. So first thing, let's do the mkdir. Let's do the LDEP domain domain underscore dc2, and then we'll put everything to the switches that we put it here. That will generate the file, and we'll put inside this one. Okay, so now you'll maybe see the domain dc2. All right, so cool. Okay, so now, and let's run the LDEP domain dump. So you can run the Python 3 and Python 3 LDEP domain Python, and you can do -u, and that's the user. And again, so lab -test1, since I have test1 password, and then the password is this. And let's do the switches here. Okay, let's do ldep domain -h. Okay, so again, so I already installed for you guys. You can install that as well, or you can run directly from this way as well. Okay, either way that works for you, so no problem. And again, so if you're looking for the Active Directory Pentest Lab, complete lab, you can always find that Udemy course in the Udemy. So go ahead and get the discount code from the Discord, and you can get the link in the chat section. All right. Okay, so now, I'll do, because this is the way you can do it. At the end, I will put the host name or IP address. So let's put some switches here. So let's do, I don't need the no grip. Let's do no grip. I don't want to disable, let's disable the grippable output. So anything that is grip. Okay, so let's do remove this, and let's put the no JSON as well. I don't need to put the JSON file. Copy it and paste it here. So no JSON. And what else? Do you want to put any kinds of switches? That's okay, right? I mean, if you don't want it, you can just remove. Everything will be outputted. Okay, so now you can do one thing here, interesting, right? So and then this is the output, right? So you have to do -o for the output. So I will put the 192.168.35.99 is my domain controller server, and that's -u, and where you want to put that is domain dc2. So that will be inside that, everything that's exported from the test1. Okay, so now if you see that cd domain, there isn't file here, so let's go ahead and hit enter, and now you'll see the connecting host, and binding to host is okay, and starting dumping, and then dump has finished. So now the fun part is beginning here. So you'll see by, it all details everything, like, so by operating system, computers, group, policy, trust, user by group, and domain user. So now let's go to the folder, and ldep domain dump, and this is our folder. Now you can open this up, and this you can find here. All right, here we go. So now you'll see the domain computer account, and this is the domain computer name and SAM account, and this is the host name, fully qualified domain name, and the operating system. All those details, working station account, trusted for delegation, right? And yeah, so you'll see a lot of information. Okay, yeah, and then you'll see the domain controller here, and DC2 is the SAM account and fully qualified domain name and server information, all those details. And let's do other one. Let's do, yeah, so if you see here is the operating system, right? So you can see the computer by operating system and Windows 11 Pro. This is the unknown because I think that was created by a script. and this is the Windows Server 2022 standard. Okay, all right, so now let's go to group. Okay, so if you see, you will see the DNS group, all those fun stuff, and IT admins. Okay, the funny thing, you can also find the password here. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. I maybe you can see the details. Hold on. All right, so let's see here. This is the domain policy, and you can see domain trust. There's nothing, and then the users. This is used, so you will find that this is the group, right? So member group, this all are the member group. Bonita is the member group for this, and the user is this. So the fun beginning part is if you see any kinds of domain admin here, that will be fun. And also you can see some password here if you want it. So if you see, I just remove that admin group 1. So this is the Shelly is the admin group. So I mean, this is the fun part, right? All right, so domain trust, domain admins, domain user by group. You'll see the password if they put some password here. Excuse me. Oh, I saw that one password. Hold on. All right, so now, I mean, if there's a details, you can definitely search for that details. And this is the normal account ID admin and bob.it. I mean, you can do that, right? So this is very fun. I really enjoy, and I will go for the questions now. All right, guys, don't forget to like this, share. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and that will help me. I'm open for the questions, guys. Go ahead and put the questions, and it's over an hour, so I'm happy to answer these questions. If you have, I'll wait for 4 more minutes, so that will be 10:10. So all right, if you're looking for the user Active Directory Pentest lab, total lab, so you can definitely check out for the Udemy course that I already put in the comment section. And then if you want the discount code, so you can always go to the in the Discord. So I put that Discord link, and you can join that, and definitely that will be helpful. Don't forget to interact with your chat section, so don't forget to do that. Okay, and the other way you can also find that information for the Udemy. So again, so this is my channel, right? So this is my channel, and if you go to YouTube, and you can do Spycyber, and you'll see a lot of information here. So I do have a lot of courses here, and if you see, they're like I put for the members as well if you want to members. So I have some few information related to members as well. But the thing is, you can find that a lot of information related to if you're willing for learn, so that will be definitely helping. I have a lot of information. I have a lot of video. There are like 131 videos you can definitely check out. And if you go for the live, you can also find that few live, because I do have for the members as well if you want it. So this kind of course, but you can check for the membership as well if you want it. But there are a few without non-members also, you can find that. That's will helpful. Okay, so again, so if you are looking for any kinds of any kinds of help from my side, go ahead and join the Discord channel and we'll interact there. So okay, all right guys, I have 30 seconds for you guys. Oh, did you guys like the channel? Did you subscribe it? Yeah, thank you for subscribing if you haven't subscribed it. But I appreciate if you have subscribed already. And don't forget to like this live as well. So yeah, so this is the great opportunity for you guys. I will appreciate it if you guys like this channel and subscribe this channel, and you can get the more information related to the ethical hacking. So I'm here, like this live, and that will help me. Okay, all right, so any questions? Yeah, go ahead and like this live, and definitely that will help me. Yeah, go ahead and do the more research if you're looking for the more you'll get here. Okay, so there are like popular videos. There are like videos that is also in the Active Directory. So if you click on that, you can also find that information here. If you go a little further down, and you can find that the course title for this, and you can do Udemy course, and you'll see the promo code discount for this one. So go ahead and do that, get the opportunity guys. And this is the Discord channel. You can always join the Discord there. So, and this is the quick pick for the Active Directory Pentest Lab. So this will help you definitely. And any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And this is the completely hands-on experience, so no theory on that. So you can always get the discount code if you want here, or if you want more discount, join the Discord. I'm here for you. Okay, and you can do that. Or if you don't want to join, or you don't want to members, you can do a lot of these are the good videos. You can find that. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for your time. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow means, again, so it will be around like 11 a.m. I'll be live around 11 a.m. tomorrow with the Pacific time. So, and if you have any questions before that, feel free to reach out to me via Discord. Okay, and thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much. Or should I wait for you guys? Don't forget to like guys this live, and I really appreciate if you like this live and share to your community. Okay, yeah, all right guys, so let me show you the Udemy course as well. So this to be the copy link, paste it here. So this is the course that I was talking about. Okay, so now you can find that information. You will see what you learn and the course contents. Here is the course content, and what the description and the requirement, the basic information you need here. So I will put the more information here. What And also don't forget to put the review there if you get the any kinds of review there, so that will help other people to get the course in a quick pick. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and like this live and go ahead and share with your community, whoever needs the or they're building the career in cybersecurity, so this will definitely help the other people as well. Okay, and this is the course where I put myself and I put a lot of effort to create this course. And like if you see 1116 students have been already signed up, so you can definitely get this information. And then this is within like maybe week, only a few weeks. I haven't published that on the 9th, so which is September 2025. Okay, all right guys, any questions, feel free to join the Discord channel and I will be here for you. All right, so yeah. All right guys, see you tomorrow 10 11 a.m. okay.